Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.1, Question number 1. A point moves along a straight line in such a way that after t seconds, its distance from the origin is 2t squared plus 3t meters. Find the average velocity of the points between t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. Find the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. Here, given the distance covered s equal to function of t 2t square plus 3t, function of t. Now, distance covered at 3 seconds, you have to substitute the value of t is 3 here, 2, 3 square plus 3 into 3, which is equal 2 into 9 plus 3 into 3 is 9. 18 plus 9 is 27 meter. And t equal 6 second, that is s at 6 equal 2 into 6 square plus 3 into 6 equal 36. 6 square is 36 into 2 is 72. That is 2 into 36 plus 18 equal 72 plus 18 is 90 meter. Now average velocity is distance covered when s6 minus s3 over 6 second minus 3 second, which is equal s6 is 90 minus 27 over 6 minus 3 is 3, which is equal 63 over 3 equal 21 meter per second. Therefore, average velocity is 21 meter per second. This is the first part of the question. The second part, find the instantaneous velocity at t equal to 3 and t equal to 6 seconds. Then second part, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity, that is v of t, is we have to differentiate s with respect to function s with respect to t, that is ds by dt. ds by dt, which is equal, here 2t square differentiation is 4t and 3t differentiation is 3. Now, therefore, we have to find instantaneous velocity at t equal to 6 seconds is equal v6 equal 4 into t6 plus 3, which is equal 24 plus 3 is 27 meter per second. The second part this and first t equal to 3 we have to put first t equal to 3 seconds, this is 3, here also 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15 meter per second. And second, instantaneous velocity at t equal to 6 second is v6 equal, substitute t is 6, so 4 into 6 plus 3 is 4 into 6 is 24 plus 3 is 27 meter per second. Then question number 2. Here question number 2, let me read here. A camera is accidentally knocked off an edge of a cliff 400 feet high. The camera falls a distance of s equals 16 t square in t seconds. How long does the camera fall before it hits the ground? How long? The time is here. Question number 2. Given the function of s, that is function of s with respect to t, is s equal to 16 t square. That is, the function is s of t equal to 16 t square, and height equal 400 feet. Now here 16 t square, first part, here 16 t square, how long does the camera falls before it hits the ground? 16 t square equal 400, then t square equal 400 over 16 equal 416 equal 25. Therefore t equal square root of 25 equal 5 seconds. In 5 seconds it reached the ground. Then second part of the question, what was the average velocity with which the camera falls during the last 2 seconds? Here the camera falls up to, after 5 seconds it reached the ground. We have to find the average velocity with which the camera falls during last 2 seconds. Last 2 seconds means, first we have to find average velocity is here. Average velocity is, you have to differentiate s with respect to time, that is ds by dt is 16 t square, differentiation is 32 t. Then when t equal to 2 seconds, which gives velocity, 2 seconds velocity is v lost when here we have to find average velocity for last 2 seconds. That means after last 2 seconds, what is the average velocity? First t equal to, we have to find v at t equal to t at equal to 3, because after 2 seconds means 3 seconds, plus v at t equal 5 seconds over to average velocity. So v at t3 is 32 3, because t is 3, because ds by dt is 32 t, and plus 32 5 over 2. 32 is 96 plus 32 5 is 160 by 2 equal 256 over 2 equal 128 feet per second. So average velocity at last 2 seconds. Then third part, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity after what is the instantaneous velocity of the camera when it hits the ground. When it hits the ground, when t equal to, that is ds by here, ds by dt equal to 32t. Here instantaneous velocity at the camera hits the ground means after 5 seconds it hits, so you have to use 32, t is 5 seconds, so which is equal 160. 32 into 5 is 160 feet per second. So we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.